Hello students, good morning. Hello everybody. Hope you are all well. Today I am going to continue the chapter quadrilateral from class 8 mathematics. In the previous class we have learnt about quadrilaterals and its different types, and we have also learned about the different features of a quadrilateral and different features of different types of quadrilaterals like square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, then trapezium, kite. So today I am going to continue with the characteristics of quadrilateral. The first one, it is called the angle sum property of quadrilateral. The statement is the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we have to prove this, how this total sum is coming 360 degree. So first of all, let me draw a quadrilateral. The question is the property, prove that the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So actually this is a theorem. So first of all we have to draw the diagram. ABCD, A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral. Given. First of all, we have to note down what are the things given in the question. So it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral what do we have to prove? We have to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree. So for showing this, for proving this theorem, I have to draw one diagonal. Let me draw AC. So diagonal AC is drawn. Construction. Diagonal AC is drawn. Now, as you can see, after drawing the diagonal AC, the quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, ABC and ADC. And we all know the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Since there are two triangles, naturally the total sum will be 180 plus 180, that is 360. So let me prove that. Let me take these angles as angle 1, angle 2, this angle B is angle 3, angle C is 4 and 5, and angle D is angle 6. Okay? Proof. In triangle ABC, this triangle ABC, there are 3 angles, angle 1, angle 3 and angle 4, these 3 angles. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of all angles of a triangle. Triangle is 180 degrees. Now this triangle ADC. Triangle ADC has 3 angles. In triangle ADC there are 3 angles, angle 2, angle 5 and angle C. So in triangle ABC, angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equals to 180 degrees. There also will apply the same reason. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now we have got 2 equations. Equation 1, equation 2. So let me add these 2 equations. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So what will happen if I add both the equations? So let me arrange the angles. When I am adding equation 1 and equation 2, so left hand side of the equation will be added to left hand side of another equation. Similarly, the right hand side of equation 1 will be added to right hand side of equation 2. So in the left hand side it will be angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, and right side will be 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. Okay? Now see, angle 1 plus angle 2. See the figure. What is angle 1 plus angle 2? It is the whole thing. That is, angle 1 plus angle 2 is actually angle A. So in place of 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus angle 2, I can write angle A. What is 3? 3 is angle B. What is 4 plus 5? See the figure. Here 4 plus 5 means the whole angle C. The whole angle C means angle 4 plus 5. So in place of angle 4 plus 5, I can write angle C. And what is angle 6? Angle 6 is angle D. And right hand side 180 degrees plus 180 degrees equals to 360 degrees. And the theorem is proved. So I think it is very easy for you to understand. Just go through it, see how it is done. the whole quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, and then I have applied the angle sum property of triangle. So I have got two equations. On adding these two equations, I have got the required proof. Okay. Next, here is a question. The question is, in a quadrilateral, three angles are 76 degree, 54 degree and 108 degree. We have to find the fourth angle. Find the fourth angle. So suppose ABCD is a quadrilateral in which angle A is 54 degree, angle B is 76 degree, angle C is 108 degrees, angle D is not known, we have to find. Let angle A equals to 54 degree, angle B equals to 76 degrees, angle C equals to 108 degrees. We don't know D, let us find. So we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. So here we have to write down the property of the quadrilateral, that is angle sum property. So sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Now let me replace the values of A, B and C. So A is 54 degrees, B is 76 degrees, C is 108 degrees and D is not known. So keep D as it is. Angle D is angle D. So this is 120, 130, 230, 238 degrees. 120, 130, 230, 238 degrees plus angle D is equals to 360 degrees, or we can say angle D is equals to 360 degrees minus 238 degrees, which implies angle D is equals to, after subtraction, it is 122 degrees. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the fourth angle if three angles are given. Just quickly go through it. See the solution. Just write down the properties, that is all four angles, sum of all four angles, that is A plus B plus C plus D is 360 degree. Now replace the values which is given in the question. You will automatically get the fourth angle. Okay. Next, another question. Three angles of a quadrilateral are equal and the measure of the fourth angle is 120 degrees. Find the equal angles. In a quadrilateral, there are four angles, out of which three angles are equal, and the measure of the fourth angle is 120 degree. We have to find those equal angles, the value of those equal angles. So, suppose the quadrilateral is equivalence. Suppose this is the quadrilateral PQRS, in which the three angles, angle P, angle Q and angle R are equal, and the fourth angle S is given as 120 degrees. Okay, so let angle P equals to angle Q equals to angle R equals to X. I have taken the angles as X degrees. Okay, the equal angles. Now we know angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equals to 360 degrees. The reason is known to you. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Now, in place of P, I am putting X degrees. Q is also X degrees and R is also X degrees. And angle S is 120 degrees. So that is equals to 360 degrees. So X degrees plus X degrees plus X degrees, that is 3X degrees equals to, this 120 will go to the right hand side. So 360 degrees minus 120 degrees. Therefore we can say 3x degrees is equals to 240 degrees, or x equals to, we can say 240 divided by 3, that is 80. So x equals to 80. X equals to 80. Therefore we can say the value of the measure of each equal angle is 80 degree. Okay, so I have taken all the equal angles as x and then applied the angle sum property of quadrilateral to get the value of x. So this is the answer. In this way we can solve these type of sum. One more question. The question is, two angles of a quadrilateral are equal and the measure of other two angles are 85 degree and 75 degree. Find the two equal angles. So here is the quadrilateral PQRS, in which two angles are 85 degree and 75 degree given, and the other two, suppose R and S are equal. So we can take R and S as x degree each. Since they are equal, so both are equals to x degree taken. Now let angle R is equals to angle S equals to x degrees. Okay. So here also I am going to apply the angle sum property of quadrilateral, where we know that sum of all angles measure 360 degrees. So I can write angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equals to 360 degrees. In the reason, again we have to write down the same thing, angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral means sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Now let me replace the values. Angle B is 85 degrees, angle Q is 75 degrees, angle R is x degrees, angle S is also x degrees, equals to 360 degrees. So sum of these two is 160 degrees, plus x degree plus x degree is 2x degrees is equals to 360 degrees, which implies 2x degrees is equals to 360 degrees minus 160 degrees. This one. Or we can say 2x degrees is equals to 200 degrees. Therefore, x degrees equals to 100 degrees, or we can say x equals to 100. Okay. So therefore, the measure of two equal angles is 100 degree each. Hope you have understood what is angle sum property of quadrilateral and how to solve the sums based on this property. So just go through the sum, the whole thing. Just quickly go through it. In the quadrilateral PQRS, two angles are given, 85 degrees and 75 degrees, and the other two are equal. So I have taken the equal angles as x degrees and then applied the angle sum property, where the sum of all four angles, that is angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus S, equals to 360 degrees. By replacing the values, I have got the value of x as 100, that is the measure of the equal angles is 100 degree each. Okay. So hope you have learnt about the properties of quadrilateral and you have understood also. Now I am sure that you can solve any problems given based on this property of quadrilateral. So in the next class I shall do some more sums related to this property, and before that you have to practice also few more sums from your textbook or any other source. Try to practice those sums, the type which I have done today. Your concept will be clear and the things will become much more easier for you. So let us meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.